How to join a Discord server without an invite. So it's actually pretty easy. Now, what you're going to do in order for you to join a server when you're not invited is just basically click this one right here, explore discoverable servers. Now, if I were to open it, you should be seeing here different categories. So you can go ahead and search, for example, music, just like so. And then you're going to go ahead and see here some servers available. For example, I'm going to go back home and I'm going to try to join Valorant. So I'm going to click this one right here. And then as you can see here at the top, there is an option to join the server. So I'm going to click this one right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and basically verify myself. And there you go. So let's go ahead and start the onboarding process. Now go ahead and answer everything here. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this one. And there you go. So you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages in the server. Basically, this is the rules for this one, but it is actually going to be a bit different depending on which server you have joined. For example, right now, so we're going to go ahead and join Midjourney server. Again, let's go ahead and verify ourselves. And there you go. So basically, that's how it works, everybody. Again, it is going to be a bit different depending on which server you have joined, but basically that's how you're going to get this done.